Today I show you how to remove a card from Apple Pay, Apple Wallet. So I have here my cards in Apple Wallet. I have two Revolut cards and I wanted to show you that I can remove this card from here. And I use this one 1964, but the other one I don't really use it. You could remove the card. You can remove the card from the Revolut app in this case directly. If the phone doesn't work or I can't find the phone, there is an option in the Revolut app to unlink the card from the Apple Wallet, but also this should be the same on most providers, most card providers. And the easiest way from Apple Wallet to remove this card, and I wanted to show you that actually the default now is 1964, but I will change the default card from here. The default card, I will put it to this one, 18811, because that's how it was. I added the new card. When I added the new card, it set this one as default. I want to show you what happens when you remove the card that is the default for the payments. To remove the card from your wallet, tap on the card itself in the wallet app and then tap on these details, then card details. And now you have all this information. You can also see the related app. You can call the provider, their website. You can open the app. There are many settings you can change here, and you could open the Revolut app and freeze the card temporarily if you're not sure if you want to remove the card or not, but you don't want payments to work. You can go to Revolut and freeze the card. This is one of the options. But if you want to simply remove the card if it's expired or you don't use it anymore, tap on remove card. Removing this card will also remove your transaction history. Okay, remove. And now you will see it gone. It even looked like a TV closing. So that's why I chose a default for this one earlier, because now it says the default card has been changed to Revolut MasterCard. So you know that this was changed and you can go back to the settings there. These are the settings for Wallet and Apple Pay. Then you go into Apple Pay defaults and you can check that the card is here. The default one is the one you want. Now back to the Wallet app. The other card is gone. I only have two cards and I can switch between them the same as before. Now I can switch between these two cards, the remaining cards, and you can remove any of these cards, and that's how it works. You can add and remove cards easily, either from the Wallet app or from the provider app. It's much easier to do it from the provider app usually, but you can also do it from here, from the Wallet app. I hope this helps you organize the cards, especially if you have cards that you don't use anymore in your Apple Pay account, in the Apple Wallet. It's better to remove them so you have less things here, to have more free space and only have the cards that you actually use. Even if the cards are still valid, but if you don't use them, better to remove them. I hope this helps you. Thanks for watching.